Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can add old TV effect to our video in CapCut application. Okay, here I have created a project in my CapCut application. And first thing first, we can click on the effect option. Then here we have some options and we need to select the video effect. In this video effect, we have to go to the TV category. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the TV category. This one. And you have to scroll down until you find the old TV effect. This one, guys. Just click on old TV effect. And you can adjust the effect by clicking on this adjust button. And you can go right like this. Or you can go left. Okay, and you can adjust it as you want. And after that, you just need to click on this check mark and you can make it align with your video by dragging the effect like this. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can add old TV effect to our video in CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.